On your first PS Portal startup, after you're done installing the updates and everything, you should end up on this page. Or you should find it pretty much easily if you are not yet connected to your PlayStation account. This page gives you a QR code that you may scan with your PS app on your phone. And yes, even broken like that, it's still working, so I'm not planning to change it anytime soon. So reach the setting gear. Then scan QR code, enable camera access if you need to, and scan the QR code. And approve. Then select the only option, pair a PS5. Here you should see the console on which your account is connected. Select the one you want to use. Then from here you will need to continue on your PS5 itself. From the main menu, reach the setting gear. Then go down to System. Then go down to Remote Play. Select Enable Remote Play. Select the user you want to enable. Then return to the previous menu and go down to Power Saving. Select Features Available in Rest Mode. And enable Stay Connected to the Internet. And enable Turning the PS5 from Network. That's it for the PS5. You can exit that menu. Back to the PS Portal, select Continue. And finish the initial tutorial. On the final page, you will end up on the Portal page. After a couple of heartbeat, you should press X to play on your PS5. From there, you can navigate on your PS5 just like home, but on this remote device. Make sure to not power off your PS5 as you can only connect on it if it's on rest mode or on. There might be some app or game you won't be able to play, such as Netflix and YouTube, unfortunately. But there we go. That was how to connect your PS Portal on a PS5. I hope this was helpful.